my friends, welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's challenge is a two-parter. Round 1. What if Zombies' 4 characters were newborn babies? Then round 2. Guess who's dancing from just their moves? All right, are you ready? Let's kick it off. Baby Edition starts now. Round 1. Addison. Addison as a newborn baby. Nova. Nova as a newborn baby. All right, time to choose. Which baby would you choose? This one's tricky. Are you Team Nova? Then tap that like button. Or is it Baby Addison for the win? Hit subscribe to show your love, and don't forget to tell us in the comments who stole your heart. Victor. Victor as a newborn baby. Willa. Willa as a newborn baby. Eliza. Eliza as a newborn baby. Couple time, Nova and Victor. Nova and Victor as newborn babies. Addison and Zed. Addison and Zed as newborn babies. Zed. Zed as a newborn baby. Ray. Ray as a newborn baby. Round 2. Guess them by their moves. Can you guess this?
When you read between the lines, you realize it's
Wow, very fantastic. It's Addison and Eliza.
When you read between the lines, you realize it's so
Okay, couple time again. Recognize these two?
Use your voice and take a chance and make
Whoa, that's a surprise. It's Eldris and Commander Bright.
Use your voice and take a chance and make a change.
Next up,
Okay, we won't then. Lucky you.
Yep, that's Addison and Team Vampire.
Okay, we won't then. Lucky you.
All right, let's see if you can spot it. Find the odd Addison out. Boom! Nailed it. It's the red-haired Addison standing out from the squad. Who is this?
If you want them in it, I'll show you how to get it.
Super easy. It's Bucky.
If you want them in it, I'll show you how to get it.
Have you seen this girl before?
Yeah, I don't know what you're up to, big brother, but I got your back.
That's Zoe in Zombies 3. She's unforgettable, right?
Yeah, I don't know what you're up to, big brother, but I got your back.
Do you know any couple?
Go, don't wanna let you go, don't wanna let you go.
Oh yeah, it's Nova and Victor.
Go, don't wanna let you go, don't wanna let you go.
How about this guy?
Drinks on you.
That's right, it's alien invasion. Would you rather time Victor and Nova, the fierce new duo, or Zed and Addison, the Seabrook OGs?
I know that we just met, but you know me, don't know it all.
No, we're in love, that's no lie.
But we're 17, if you promise me.
Tough choice, huh? If you're Team Victor and Nova, hit that like. But if Zedison's still your fave, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to drop your pick in the comments. What's on your mind?
All the times they told me walk away, I said forget it. I knew
Perfect, it's Bree.
all the times they told me walk away, I said forget it. I knew it.
Who is this?
You right where we want you. Hey, step right up.
Very good. This is Nova.
You right where we want you. Hey, step right up.
Keep going.
Just yet.
You've shown me exactly where I've been running.
That's Nova and Victor. You're on fire.
Just yet.
You've shown me exactly where I've been running.
All right, try this one.
Wanna be the best, try to be a star. Thought I'd reach the top, but I'm a little far. Seabrook.
Oh, yes, it's Zed.
Be the best, try to be a star. Thought I'd reach the top, but I'm a little far. Seabrook's football.
Who's this iconic pair?
Got the sun and the stars on our side.
That's Nova and Victor. You're on fire.
Got the sun and the stars on our side.
Do you know this line?
No, we're in love, that's no lie.
But we're 17, if you promise me that.
Awesome. That's the Zed with Addison.
No, we're in love, that's no lie.
But we're 17, if you promise me that.
Do you know this boy?
This is the place to be. Na 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 na.
Great job. It's Victor. Keep it going.
This is the place to be. Na 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 na.
Can you guess this?
You spend your summer drilling the basics. You'll make starting team in no time.
Yes, it's football coach.
You spend your summer drilling the basics. You'll make starting team in no time.
All right, what's on your mind for this one?
Soar back home with the wind at your command? Oh wait, you can't, but hey.
Perfect choice. That's Vera.
Soar back home with the wind at your command? Oh wait, you can't, but hey.
Ready for the next?
We make a fire all our own. Thanks to the.
Bravo, Zed and Team Daywalker.
We make a fire all our own. Thanks to the light.
All right, last one before we wrap up. Time to rate Show the World.
Take a chance and make a change and show the world.
How smooth was that? A total slay or just kinda okay? Drop your score in the comments. Let's see who's got taste. Well done, my friends. You totally rocked it. Tell us in the comments who your favorite newborn baby was. And hey, if you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe to Quiz Slice for more epic Seabrook challenges. See you in the next one. Bye.